When it comes to making wheels, TIA is driven by three things: innovation, quality, and craftsmanship. We use some of the best equipment in the industry, and our team brings together world-class R&D experts and passionate professionals who care about every detail. Before any material goes into production, it's thoroughly tested. From tensile strength and hardness to microscopic structure and flow. That way, we know every batch of aluminium meets our standards from the start. Our high-tonnage forging press gives the aluminium a stronger, more consistent grain structure, while our dual heat treatment process boosts overall strength and durability. Across production, over 40 precision CNC machines monitor roundness, surface quality, and balance automatically, making sure every wheel is perfectly engineered. From cleaning to polishing, every step is carefully controlled to deliver a flawless finish. At TIA Wheels, we're constantly advancing our technology to produce aluminium wheels that are lighter, stronger, and made to last, so that our customers get products that don't just perform, but truly stand out.